Hey, what's happening YouTube? My name is Riccomentals, and today I'm going to show you how much I made my first month of monetization as a music channel. So I'm sure some of you are asking yourself, what's YouTube monetization? Well, YouTube monetization is when a creator makes videos and then they're able to earn money through those videos. YouTube places ads from like third-party companies, and then those ads generate income as people watch those advertisements through your videos. So here Google says monetized is the term YouTube uses for its official program that allows users to make money from the clips they upload. So that's what I was saying, that like you make videos and then those videos are able to generate you money through advertisement. So the requirements to get monetized on YouTube: you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch time. So back then when I got monetized, which was last year November, the only requirements needed was 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now I think there's 6. So now you have to follow all the YouTube channel monetization policies, live in a country or region where the YouTube partner program is available, have no active community guidelines tracks on YouTube, which is very important, guys. Have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. So you must have 4,000 watch hours in 12 months, in 1 year. If it surpasses 1 year, then those hours will like expire, which means you must work hard again to get 4,000 watch hours in 1 year. Have more than 1,000 subscribers, which is this didn't change. Have a linked AdSense account. So an AdSense account is like a wallet, which like when the money generates from YouTube, it goes through your AdSense account, and then from AdSense account, after it reaches the threshold, it can go into your bank card or whatever like form of payment you prefer. So after I got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I got an email from YouTube telling me that I can monetize my channel. So I did go through the process and then apply, and then I think it was the same day, after 2 hours or something, I got this email which said, congratulations, YouTube channel Riccomentals has been accepted into the YouTube partner program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. And I was so excited because like where I'm from, this is not really common. So and then after that I did everything. I submitted my tax information, my address, and then there came a point where I had to wait for this I think it was 4-digit code or 7-digit code from YouTube to like arrive as a mail. It didn't come. Tried 3 times, it didn't come, and then it takes like a month in order to arrive. It didn't come. I went to the post office. They said they don't know anything. Nothing came. After that I researched another option in which I can verify without that 7-digit code or 4-digit code. So I had to submit my ID. So after I submitted my ID, I think it took me 24 hours for them to like verify that I'm a real person, and then after that I was good to go. So I got monetized. It was 2020. It was 11 November 2020. I made 124 and 33 cents rents, and then my RPM, which is how much you earn per 1,000 views, was 10 rand and 68 cents, and then my playback CPM was 48 rand and 89 cents. So that in US dollars, 124 rands, it's $8 and 0.9 cents. My RPM was 0.7 US dollars. My CPM was 3.18 US dollars, which was not bad. I was actually proud because I wasn't really making this for the money. I just loved taking my content out there. If you make YouTube for money, it's going to crush you. It's going to crush your soul, believe me. So just do it for the love of doing it. So like this is how much I made for that month. And then now I'm going to show you my first YouTube check. How much was it? Because there is a threshold. You must get more than 1,000 rands in order to get your money. The threshold, it must be the minimum of 1,000 rands, which is around 90 something US dollars right now. But then I think the people who use dollars, they must have $100. That's their minimum. So as it's 1,000 rands, them it's 100. So my first YouTube paycheck was 1,255 and 93 cents. I think I got this on, it was October, I think it was April, from last year November until April. Yeah, that was a huge gap. But then I'm saying it's just like extra income. You get it from doing what you love doing. So I wasn't doing this for the money just came as an advantage also, because now I can be able to buy myself some more equipment and stuff and live my life. So that's how much I made, guys, from YouTube, my first month of monetization. If you like this kind of videos, since I'm a music channel, you can tell me, comment down below, and then I'm going to tell you how much I made overall on my YouTube channel so far, from last year November up to this year. I'll show you how much I made overall. This is your boy Riccomentals. If you're still here, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm out.